today I came to visit one outlet called Shah Mangila Link. This comes in a street called Kabanpet in Chaulu Gali, which comes in Bengaluru, India. So I'm just showing you the landmark. See, I'm standing in Kabanpet. This is Kabanpet, and here one landmark is this Jain temple. You can just see this is one landmark, and one more landmark is this Manak Steel. You can just have a look. So you have to get inside this Manak Steel street like this. So when you come little bit further, you can just check here. His outlet is Shah Mangila Link. He is an exclusive manufacturer of saris. This is his outlet. Totally 4 floors are there. You can just check. Very big manufacturer, trusted place. This outlet. Totally 4 floors are here. So you have to get inside this. So this outlet, you can just have a look. Shah Mangila Link, exclusive manufacturer of saris. All high quality saris you will get here. But for wholesale price you are getting minimum you will have to buy 10,000. Single piece retail is not there. This is one more section you can just check and just check the stock and the orders. It goes to different parts of India. Even if you want 1,000 piece, 10,000 piece, easily you can get here. This is one more section. Lot of varieties of saris are there. So if you want to start a business of saris, if you are a reseller or if you want to buy for yourself also in wholesale, you can come here. One more time I'm showing you, just check the racks, collections. Lot of varieties, I think more than 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 varieties of saris is here. This is one more section and just check like this daily lot of order goes different parts of India. So many racks, lot of varieties. So any more detail, number is on video screen, you can contact them. They'll send you all details. Now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Pravar. Hi Pravar, welcome to the show. Pravar, tell me something about your studio, what and all you will get here.
Hi all, my name is Pravar. I'm from Shah Mangila. So we keep all range of saris over here, fancy sari, silk sari, pure sari, cotton sari, linen, print, tissue, we keep all range.
You are the manufacturer?
We are manufacturers.
Okay, and how many years over for you in business?
It's been approx 35-40 years.
And minimum how much they have to buy online, offline?
We keep a limit of 10,000.
Okay, single piece retail is not there?
No single piece at all. Minimum 10,000 buying has to happen.
And what is the timing?
10 to 7.
Okay, and Sundays?
Sundays we are off.
Well, right now what you are going to show?
So this is a crepe printed sari.
Okay.
It's only center print.
Any starting price of the saris here you want to tell?
All starts from 500 to approx 40,000.
500 to 40,000. Okay, next what do you want to show?
Next, this is a beautiful cream.
Okay.
Nasty jal sari.
Okay. What and all types of fabrics of saris will get here?
So we keep dola, we keep crepe, we keep
Okay.
printed, we keep viscose.
Okay.
We've got lot of variety, lot of new collections for our subscribers, for your subscribers.
Okay. And how much varieties of saris you having here? 1,000, 2,000 varieties?
Yes, easily, more than that.
More than 2,000 varieties of saris is there. You can just have a look. Okay. And this collection keeps getting updated in how many days?
Yes, every week there'll be a new concept, new
Okay.
taste, new colors, new designs, new pattern, new fabric. This is
Very nice here.
dola printed, border
Okay.
printed with a...
And how they have to buy? Like set wise or like anything?
It's anything. If it's
Okay.
a budget of 10,000, you could mix match, buy
Okay.
2, this, 3, that's 4 colors a week. So you'll get a good variety also, and your what is new, what is updated, new collections you can add in your store.
And in one print, how many colors you will get?
10 to 15 colors.
10 to 15 colors.
10 to
Okay,
15.
next.
Next we've got a semi dola crepe.
Very nice here. This all is like
Please come, hop in, come to our shop.
very nice. Awesome collections of saris. You can just check and just see. These are the collections. Minimum 10,000 you will have to buy. They are exclusive manufacturer and very trusted place. More than I think 20 years over, right, for you?
More than that, sir.
Yeah.
40 years.
So these kind of outlets very rare you will get. So if you want any more detail, just contact them and just check entire works, how it is done on the saris. Fantastic.
Hi, we'll come to the next floor.
Okay.
This is all pure chinia crepe.
Okay.
Very good for all our Telugu customers, Andhra customers. This is all pure crepe.
Okay. And where and all your product goes in India, and do you export also?
We do a little bit of export.
Okay.
We do a little bit pan India. We do North India, Delhi, Gujarat.
And in South also it goes.
South also. we do.
South is your major market, I think.
South is a major market.
Okay. Very nice here.
Then next we got pure kanchi tissue.
Okay. And now festival is also coming,
This
right?
is all for the upcoming wedding season, for
Okay.
the Ugadi season.
Very nice. Wow.
And now this is the next
Super.
study project.
And what do you want to tell about the quality, no color shrinkage and all, right?
This is no color shrinkage. All sarees are measured 6.5 with blouse.
Okay.
And all measured, all damage defects, all filtered and then only done. So if it goes to the counter, there's no chance of any damage coming at all.
Okay, very nice collections. You can just check. And minimum you'll have to buy 25,000.
yes.
Single piece retail is not there.
This is a
Beautiful, yeah.
printed saree with the center print. And
Awesome
up the
collection.
Black color, very nice.
Very nice collections. Okay.
And now we come to the next floor.
Okay.
It's all the pure silk kanchi section. So
Wow.
this is a pure silk, pure weaving
Okay.
with the 24 karat 1 gram gold.
Fantastic.
Now this is the Meenakari work.
Okay.
These
Nice.
all are pure silk with silk mark certified.
Okay.
The next all new arrivals just come
Okay.
with all the pack piece. And this is the beautiful border. And that's the
The box piece also comes.
yes, all are new box pieces.
Okay.
Then we've got a beautiful kanchi soft silk.
Okay. Kanchi soft silks. Okay. Fantastic. Even if someone wants 1,000 piece, 2,000 piece,
Yes,
easily,
yes.
right?
Yes, easily. We keep that much stock.
Okay.
So we keep getting orders like that.
Okay.
See, all of these are new, just arrived new items.
Okay.
Traditional weaving border with the Bentex
Beautiful,
pattern.
yeah. Superb. Like once if they wear, the outlook will be completely different.
This is pure silk.
Very nice.
When they wear it, the color.
Fantastic. And they become regular customers only.
Because once they get this kind of taste
Yeah,
and
yeah.
if it resells
Fantastic.
and
Quality,
any woman
design.
gets appreciated for a sari, she feels that itself is enough. So
Yes.
they wear it, they've got to get appreciated. Now we've got the next segment.
Okay.
Crepe segment.
Okay.
Now for this Ugadi
Wow.
and for this full festival, all that everyone's asking is crepe.
Okay.
Crepe with the printed pallu.
Superb.
There is a new crepe.
Okay, new crepe.
Blouse.
Okay.
It is the same like how the pure crepe comes.
Okay.
Good, very good first copy of the original one, but in the
Okay.
budget range.
Okay.
How I've mentioned all from 700 to 2000, and then we have pure till 40, 50, 60,000.
And resellers can easily sell for good margins.
Very good margin we can say.
Okay.
So
And-
beautiful, wonderful colors.
Fantastic.
You guys should, I think, hop on to the store, come here, and then you can see more varieties. Come to the next floor.
Okay.
With all the chapa silk,
Okay.
cotton varieties.
Okay. Here it starts from 500 to
500 to 40,000.
40,000 sarees is also there.
Yes,
Okay, nice. People purchase also 40,000.
Yes, people for the weddings around if they come.
Okay.
They'll have a fixed budget and that's
Okay.
what they know they have to spend.
Okay. And if someone wants for mall also, like there are many people who purchase for malls and all.
Yeah.
That also we can cater, right?
We can cater to all type of clients because there's varieties there. Now this is a pure
Okay.
brocade tissue saree.
Fantastic. Okay. Next.
Next is another pure crepe saree.
Okay.
This is a new half and half pattern.
Okay.
Thing is now there's so much variety to show, but very less time.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. People will understand by seeing the outlet. They understand
few
like.
items of what are best selling I can show you.
But here, like, how much varieties you having? 3,000.
Yes, easily that many varieties.
3,000 varieties of sarees are there. Okay, cool. So before wind up, I just want to tell that this place is having awesome collections of sarees. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love the collections. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.